Michelle. So here's go back to the channel content. You did everything right because here there's everything is here. So you uploaded correctly. So as you see, there are thumbnails. In some of them, whenever I had time, I would make them. Okay, so before we can do anything here, I've created this PowerPoint presentation. And I liked this color, so I created this one. So if you go to copy, duplicate, and all of a sudden now you have two identical ones. We're gonna change the second one. We're gonna call it June 4th, and it was the first meeting. Okay. So what I do then is go to slideshow up here from beginning. You have the first one was the August, then you click enter or arrow here. If you start moving your mouse, these things at the bottom will pop up, which I don't know if you can see them. I can. So if you just wait a couple of seconds, they disappear, and then you do a screenshot, which for me is, oh, I don't know how you make a screenshot on a Mac. But screenshot, which is pretty much a picture. Then you click enter to get out of PowerPoint, and you go back here. Okay, so details, thumbnail, upload. For me, it will go to pictures. These are all my screenshots. So the last screenshot I just made is this one. Click on it, open, and it will load and save. That's about it. See if it saves. Yeah. So let's do this again. Go back to this. Once again, you can do back to home, do copy, duplicate. That's because I'm cheap. I don't want to retype everything. So now on this one, it was July 2nd. So July 2nd. And it was the second meeting. Okay. And then again, slideshow. You can do from current slide, so it goes straight to the one that you need. Again, don't move the mouse. If you do, these little icons will pop up. If you just leave it alone for 2 seconds, they disappear. Screenshot. Enter to exit the slideshow. Go back here. Go back to the channel content, and we're going to change this one. Again, upload the thumbnail. Pictures, screenshots, last one. Yep, second meeting, save, done. So again, I can send you the file, and then of course here what I will do is just save it. Save or save as. Browse. For me, it's all in my family stuff. You say family. I just call them, yeah, frontespizio. It's Italian word. Let's call it thumbnail for YouTube videos for the family. Okay. Amen. Done. Now, I try to do a series. So if you look here, I had selected different thumbnails. So if you remember, this was meditation sharing updates from 2021. They all tend to have the same color. 2021, all of this. Whereas when I gave those formation talks in October and November 2020 on, ignition, discernment, I had created this. So I think it helps people. to see different icons for different things. So let me just show you how you do it on PowerPoint. So this is done. You can always File, New, and these are all your different options, suggested themes, but there's a ton of them. You could choose, yeah, I always try to choose something that is not too girly, but that would work also for a man, technically. So, but then you can do, oh gosh, all sorts of things, presentations, and you can do them blank. You can do something totally blank. Yes, oh my gosh. If you ever want to do something really girly, click on it, create, and then all of a sudden, here it tells you different things. It has already everything for you, where you just add, let's say if you want to do, I don't know, one day, hopefully, family retreat in Colorado. Woo! Click here for more info, and then when you do here, you can just do all sorts of things and insert probably hyperlink that will send you to oh, I don't have it here, to the website or something. So, and then you will just click save, and that's it. So gosh, as you can see, there's a ton of different options. Okay, hope this helps. Ciao.